Making some Damascus steel. We've got a billet put together pretty good, but we want to now cut it and then bend it over on itself. So I'm going to be using this 8-ton log splitter that's been converted. And I've got a sharp piece here at the top. I'm going to bring it down and see if I can get it right in the middle once I get it about yellow hot, and see if it has enough power to cut it. And then I'll bring it over on the anvil and just knock it over on itself. So this compresses down that fluid. You got a big cylinder, a big piston. You come down and crush it with a lot of force. See how it does. You get it right in between here. Got it pretty hot. Let's go take a look. Get underneath the cutter. Get about midway. It's pretty good. Break it over on itself. It's hot enough now. Just going to flatten this down a little bit. Good. Back in, a little more heat. Alright, we're going to try the cutter now. Pretty hot. Get it right in the middle. There we go. Fold it over on itself. Got it back in the fire. Change these dies out. Getting it ready to crush down. Gonna add a little bit of our flux, borax. Tap it, set the weld. Okay. Back in the fire. That's better. When I'm using this press, I come down, I got a lot of good pressing energy. I can do Damascus, I can use these dies to flatten or move the metal, but the force comes down here, and because this is not really designed, it's designed as a log splitter, it's not designed as a machine press. So when force comes down, this is not really strong enough, and we get some deflection. We get a little deflection from the cylinder inside of its case, so I have to put a better shim here to get rid of any play. But also, besides this frame, this is just a piece of angle iron, and then there's a brace that goes, there's already a welded nut here. You get a bolt going in here at this piece. But even with that brace on both sides, we're still getting a little bit of deflection, so it's not the best for evenly pushing down the metal. So I think I'll try just putting brace on each side like this, so as the force starts to lift here, it's countered by this. Let's see if that works. I think I'll have a connection here, but maybe even another one here, so it's not just a pivot, but it's more locked in, and then I'll have one here. We'll give that a try. We'll do it on that on both sides. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com.